Yo, say something. Say something. Let's see the volume.
Yo, 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 yo.
It should be good. It should be good. What's up, chat? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Chatters, chatters, chatters.
What are we looking at today here?
Currently, am long of 5 minutes IFEG.
Long. You're looking for high day?
Yeah, I'm looking for a good push. I would have been excessive today, but I've had a good week. First couple weeks this month have been just so mid, but this week's been nice.
You know, I had coming in for September. Like September is gonna be a bearish month. It's always been bearish. So like we're gonna probably see more lower. That's like, why has it been like such a bullish month?
Yo.
What's up?
Is that Desi Trades?
Let me see. Dude, September, the deadass has been like 3 weeks of straight upside. Like, Desi, what do you think about September being like historically bearish? But look at this,
Man,
look at this year.
That shit hasn't been bearish since 2022, bro.
That's like what happens when
I was wanting lower. Too.
I know.
But look at that weekly gap too. I was like,
it's crazy.
We're gonna drive lower. But no.
Yeah, it was close, especially on ES too, which was like off by like 10 points.
They said yeet.
But you know, when I first started trading the first few years, like September would be my worst month because I would keep on like trying to buy it, and it's like always downside. And look at this, 2024. I think probably last year is probably the same thing, right? I wonder. Let me see. Shit is weird.
Shit's whack, dude.
Yeah, last year September was actually very, very bullish. What the hell? So September is now a bullish month, guys.
Can we just see some type of follow through here? Come on, come on.
All right, let's see.
Bro, isn't it crazy how, at least for me, in my opinion, Monday was the cleanest day of the week in terms of just follow through and price.
Monday?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We just ripped the open and just trade all time high the whole day.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I just can't believe we didn't take the weekly gap. That was so annoying.
Are you guys buying Scott's new firm? That's what Web said.
Oh my god.
How is that boy even allowed to start another prop firm?
That's
like, should he not be like banned from touching anything prop related or anything even in the industry either? He literally screwed over so many people.
Risk free now.
He got money from prop firms. What does that mean? Nice. Lanto took some longs.
I've been sloppy today. I am half size.
Your red day? Your red today?
Yeah. A couple paper cuts. Some red. Let's see how this goes. I don't. My bias off the open was bullish because we just that higher time frame we just kept inverting. We kept just disrespecting all those bearish PD rays. I took a long wet break even, and then we obviously sold aggressively, and I tried shorting, and we just ended up started chopping.
Yeah, looks like it's going for highs here.
I think ES goes for just like the London highs from yesterday.
It's really pushing here.
Yeah, this will, if we run highs, it'll mitigate.
Who started a new prop firm? Is Scott? What was it? Scott Tristy? Is that how you say his name? The fail owner of Fast Track Trading. If you guys, go ahead. Sorry.
Target's London highs. I'm shooting London highs. If we end up engulfing past it, I'll look for PDH. Which is obviously a big ask for what price is doing because we've been very inside today, but just depends how we build up into it.
It owes me money.
I'm down 9K on my personal, so this trade will probably mitigate. I'm up 2K right now on this.
Nice. So what do you need? You need like the weekly highs to get you at even with your size, or you want to add more?
Nah, I'm not gonna add. I'm just gonna let it ride out. But yeah, I would like to see a good push. Just follow through essentially. PM wise.
Daisy, what are you looking at here?
My bed. Dude, I got burned so bad on that short, dude. I'm salty. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I tried shorting as well. It was just chop, bro. We just didn't do anything.
I'm dead ass salty, bro. Not gonna lie.
Today's been sloppy as hell.
That you guys are talking about AM price action, right? Or is it just like lunchtime?
Yeah.
Dude, yeah. I also shorted. You see that 15-minute when it first happened, that 15-minute gap rejection. Then we had like a 1-minute inversion on the 11:25 candle. I took that, and it literally was the bottom.
Oh, that was.
So that left me salty.
Today was probably my most undisciplined day of the week, honestly.
Like,
because I had that AM bias and I flipped and then I got cooked on short.
Yeah, chat. How is chat doing here? Type 1, type 2, red, or just say green or red today, or break even. Let's take a look at how everyone's doing.
See a lot of red. Yeah, today's just been very inside. See some green as well.
Mm-hmm.
W chat.
It's tough.
W chat. Yeah, this month's been my most like stagnant month of the year, for sure.
Yeah, that's after like probably doing very good, like consecutively throughout the year, right? Because that's what happened to me too. Like January all the way to like July was great for me. In August stopped me, and then September like was also just like stagnant.
Yeah.
I mean, yesterday just was not the good day for me. I even had the FunnyNext account. I had the legacy. I made 1,000, need 500 more. Took some reckless trade, and now we have to restart on them. Daisy, did you
see how that open panned out
today?
honestly? Yeah, because we were so bullish into the open. Yeah, we were so bullish into the open. We had bullish some T off overnight data. We had such good structure. We built up. The initial move was bullish, but then we kind of see a move up higher. Before that hourly gap where PDH gets ran, we come right back down.
So yeah, like we're getting some strong range and just delivery back and forth, which is tricky.
Yeah. Today was really hard for me.
Yeah, for the next futures payout withdrawal option, it's gonna be probably after market close. Like usually that's how it happens. Guys, did you pick up the Rapids or Legacy accounts from FunnyNext or no?
Dude, I went to go buy them. I'll buy them later, bro.
You got flagged? Did you get flagged for fraud or something?
Yes, bro. I'm not doing it, dude.
I think your account, your card just has a clear, because I had that same problem, but then now it doesn't do that to me anymore. So I think it's because they're based in like, I don't know, they're based in like something international. Probably like, is it Dubai or somewhere?
Probably.
And you're in the US and you're like, wait, are you trying to purchase this many transactions?
Yeah. And I have all my stuff saved on Google Pay, and I still gotta put my like 3-digit code and all that.
Oh, I have to do that too. Like after the first 3, if I do more, I have to do like either a text message or I have to enter like my bank account or like log into my bank account and say approve.
Yeah.
So I have Capital One. I have to do that.
Same. I'm using my Capital One too.
I mean, so what do you do, Desi? I think I found out the trick. You just approve it and then you restart the app. You do it again and it'll approve again, and then it's just like that. You need to like restart the app every time.
Okay.
Because I was getting frustrated too. It says like error. I was like, what?
I know, dude, and it's like so many accounts because I'm using. That makes me think. Should I just do the 50Ks instead?
Honestly, that's why I said the 50K is not that bad.
What's the payout
Rapids?
cap on the 50Ks?
Are you doing legacy? Wait, which one? Rappers, legacy?
I'm gonna do rapids.
Oh, I think it's very similar. So for the next, the way they have it structured is like it's very similar. The only thing that I was gonna recommend 12 counts for the 25K is like so you can like kind of treat like Apex. So once you get above the buffer, you have like a lot of room to play. But it's like very similar to drawdown. I think you get like just you use 2x to drawdown. The price 2x. Everything's like very structured.
You could get 6 accounts for those 50Ks. Yeah.
Yeah, six counts pretty good though. Better than 5, right? 6 1 up.
Everything comes up to the same price, right? I'm guessing.
Like very close. I think Rapid would be like slightly more by like 10% or something.
Chat, what do I buy? The rapid or legacy? I don't know.
You should have bought the Rapid like a few days ago because it was $70. Now you're saying like you're seeing $90 because they increased by like
$99, 10%
25%.
sales.
Yeah. I think Legacy might be the move though.
Bro, that
Uncapped payouts.
40% consistency on eval is so gay.
Yeah, but 2.5K drawdown, 2.5K price target, you can make 1,500. Is actually like you have 25 in drawdown and no daily loss limit now. That's actually pretty nice because there was like a tight daily loss limit, which is kind of annoying.
Bro, the more I like trade platforms, the more I could like,
The more you
less I can
cringe,
stand
huh?
them.
Yeah.
Yes, bro. Yes.
Oh my god.
Lanta, would you buy like an expensive prop account where they give you like a lot of drawdown and like very little rules, like you get to pay like $3,000 for it or something?
Yes.
Shit,
Yeah.
maybe see there's a market for that now. Like if someone starts that, they'll be like, we'll give you 10,000 drawdown, no rules. Here's the thing, and 90-10 profit split. You have to pay $3,000.
I'll easily do that, but it's just like, dude, all these rules on these firms, bro. It's just like, oh my god. It's like at some point, bro, if you trade too many firms, bro, it gets excessive and it just becomes
Yeah, it
numbers at that
does.
point. It's not even trading.
But honestly, it's kind of worth it though, and I guess it depends on your capital. Like if you have so much capital, like you can just go full cash. But like for a lot of people,
I have a question.
it's fire. Yeah.
On the rapid 25Ks, how much do I need for a payout? 2,500?
I don't think you need any buffer for any of those accounts.
Oh
Technically.
shit! So I could request 1,000 as soon as I make 1,000.
Yeah, but
800?
you risk blowing the account. You know, like it goes to zero starting balance. So like if you
Okay,
let's say you're
let me cycle
that's
these real quick.
that's what a lot of people do.
Let me cycle these real quick.
Like if it's $900 payout, right? You can make 1,000, take the 900. You have 100 left on the account before it blows.
Yeah.
But you made it $900. You paid like $90 for it, so you basically 10x already.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, I'll do that.
Oh, legacy you can. Rapid you can. Okay, that makes sense. I get confused. I haven't looked at legacy in ages because rapid was just hot shit. Look, we have a lot of equal lows on ES here. There's bouncer there. Chat, what do you guys think? Downside, upside here. It looks like we're gonna get a good retrace. Maybe take some lows, take some of these internal lows, and see if we can push back up.
In my opinion, if we just trade back down to rage, it's just like there's just no point in this.
What do you
so
expect
ugly.
to close the week today? Today's Friday, right? So like, what are we expecting here?
I think low key after we sleep, maybe like a one more time high day. That's it.
I feel like we're just staying in range. Like we might be trying to edge the high, but that's it.
I don't typically mind inside days. I forgot what day of the week it was, but there was a day this week where we were pretty much trading in range, but it was still really good. Sessions like this, where prices like this, it's just so tough because it's just like so slow and there's no clarity, immense clarity.
Yeah.
I'm
Back and forth right now.
Time to rinse my credit card.
Do you guys like short here? Yeah, the chat saying short.
I'm still in this long here.
You're long NQ, right? Oh,
yeah,
I'm strong today.
Yeah, I'm risk free. I long the 5-minute inversion. My BE is 673.
I think short's good to like at least try to go for that. Go for this retrace. before going higher. It's kind of what I
We're
like
still
to
very
see right
volatile,
now.
though.
Yeah.
Wait, chat, was it yesterday we were trading in range? I forget. Fuck, I forget. What was that one day where price was? It was sometime in this week. Price was really good. It was we're more so trading in range, but it was really clean. I think it was yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yesterday PM. How do you guys feel about yesterday PM? I felt like yesterday PM was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Ryan stunk.
Let's see. I might go with the short here. I might just try to at least jab in. Go for just scalp. You guys game for it?
Damn, Brad's gonna fade me. Okay.
Just for the internal low.
Yeah, I mean, we could easily see that.
Let's see. Let's see if we can get a pop for 700 fail.
Yes, looks a little bit better here.
Imagine taking so long to buy these accounts and blowing them in one trade.
Well, the first trade, yeah.
I'd be so pissed.
DBT, you could have paid me a couple times this month. You would have been profitable, bro. This one's been, at least the first couple
Same.
weeks of this has just been for me. This week's been much better, obviously, but I think people just got the misconception of win rate and the importance of.
Yeah, they see a red day. That's just what happened. My first day back for me, red. They're like, how do you even get payouts?
Yeah, for me, it's just, especially now that I'm just like the main firms that I do end up trading or I'm trading right now, TS, TPT, they're uncapped, so they're pretty much like live accounts. Like I just trade them normally, and like for me, I have a sub 50% win rate this week, and I'm still at a 7R, 6R in the week.
Nice.
So, yeah, obviously, naturally through a model through your system, like you would want a higher win rate, but even in the course of lower win rate, if you're able to still thrive, that's a very good indication.
Let me see if we can get anything. Let's see if we close this gap, then we can probably play this.
That's the reality of trading.
How far is ES highs also? I think ES is gonna hit the highs first.
Good. Run it. Run it. Run it. Run it. Run it. Yeah, yes, looks a little bit better here. I'm gonna queue off that long.
Yo, why do I gotta put my birthday in for this prop firm, bro?
Bro, when I had this on the POA for Tradeify when I got moved live, I like sent like a screenshot of like my bank and my details. They're like send a screenshot of your bank or send a screenshot of like verification that it's your name and your address, and I do my bank, and they're like, no, we do PDF. Like,
PDF.
Yeah, I'm like, look at the screenshot. They're like, no, we need a PDF. They wanted a PDF.
You took a screenshot
PDF.
of the PDF, or no?
Yeah, and they're like, no, you have to send a whole PDF. And like, the only way you send a PDF is if you showcase everything, and it's just like,
Yeah.
weird.
Well, every time I do it, I just take a screenshot of the statements, and that's it. It's just
That's
the
what I did.
cover. The cover. And it was fine.
Yeah,
it was always fine for me.
Not for me. I could roll up the emails. There's like 6 replies and me being like, why would you need the whole thing?
Yeah, why do they need the whole thing?
That's what I was told.
Why the fuck?
All right. If this closes under 700, I'll tag in. This should be. He is probably gonna drive the highs though. It looks like we're running pretty good here.
I think.
And not to like diss you, Brian, but I hope we run highs because I'm obviously in this long. So.
Oh, I'm waiting for this closure first before I tag in.
Okay, yeah, you're good. You're good.
I think 10 points higher at least
This would be the
on ES.
probably the risk here.
Yeah, but that POI was crazy. All that whole process is so annoying just for the 2K daily loss limit. Bro,
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, bro.
Oh my
2K
God.
daily loss limit, 10K, 2 10K balances, like, bro.
2K daily loss limit, bro. What the fuck are you supposed to do with that, dude?
Wow. Like I'm trying to trade. I'm not trying to fucking make minimum wage. I'm not trying to be. I'm not trying to be egotistical when I say that. Listen. I'm not trying to be egotistical.
Oh
when I
my
say that.
god, bro's minimum wage trading in a way.
Bro. No, but I'm just saying, like, dude, I'm not gonna risk like 10% risk is $200. I'm not risking $200 to trade. I'm just not doing that.
Might run their highs here.
I don't care.
Funny, bro. You funny as fuck.
That's the truth, bro. That's just the truth. That's the reality, especially for us.
I agree with you.
You're the same way, Brian. You're the same way. We
I
want
don't
more
disagree with you.
capital. We're 5 years deep. We want more capital. We know what we're doing.
I don't disagree with you. That's just funny.
It's Tradeify, bro. This is Tradeify you're talking about, right?
Yep. And they maybe everyone who gets moved live had to forfeit over 100K of profit. Like
That's crazy. All right, I might tag in the 1 minute here if this closes. I just want the ES sweep first, so you can get that on a nice closure. Let's see if we get this.
I see we go live a lot with you guys. Bro's been grinding. I saw you went live for Asia last night. Yeah.
Yeah.
Too.
What time did you trade Asia?
Like 5.
Did you get anything good or no?
Dude, I took a loss. I was trading gold. I'm trying to figure out gold too. Took a small loss on gold. But it was more like education. I was recapping my New York trades. You know, low-key, Brian, I think I'm going to cycle these accounts, bro. As soon as I hit 800, request a payout, and then run back up.
800 auto, like, what was that, 12 counts? That's like 9K. You want to just run it for 9K?
9K every 3 days? Not bad.
I'm waiting for this closure. I think we can get some. There's a scalp here after we've taken the high out. TradeFi is so underrated or overrated. I read that wrong.
I mean, listen. When I say I don't mean that. They're a really good firm. Like, firms out there who pay, they're good. They're good.
It's 5 days to pay out, right? On TradeFi?
I think is it 5 or is it still 7?
No, I think they dropped it. They dropped it now.
They dropped the days, so you can technically get paid out in 5 days, which is crazy.
Which is good.
Yeah, it's still really good. And for most people, obviously, like it's a wonderful firm. But when you're more experienced, obviously, you want to trade more capital.
I gotta get that fund straight to funders, bro.
They're pretty convenient, but I think I don't know. It is more costly because there's more structure. It's usually cap payouts. This take consistency. Yeah. So if you have to be ready for that.
Yeah, the one funded straight to funded account I did good on is a scam firm. Top one.
Oh! I thought you were gonna say fast track trading. I'm gonna be like,
no.
Damn.
Wait, they are? They are.
They're not scam firms, but they're not good.
Yeah.
I think they've been fucking people over. Like you have a high balance, right? And they make you move live. They're like, okay, before you move live, we're gonna give you a test sim account, and if you blow that account up, your live is gone or something like that.
Bullshit
something
like that.
Shady like that is crazy.
Dude, when I got on live with them, I couldn't even trade like more than like 5.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, what the fuck?
Bullshit like that. Fuck off.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have that. I don't have that patience anymore. I'm gonna be honest. I just don't.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Try for this.
Still up and down.
Should I just do 2 million and try to pass this in one trade?
Huh. We have been a lot more volatile.
Wait, Brian, can you pass this with news or no?
Which one? Rapids?
Yeah.
You have to hold it for 10 seconds though. That they have like that policy. Same thing as Funny Ticks as well. They both have the same policy. So if you do pass it, you have to wait 10 hold it for 10 seconds essentially. That's what I meant.
Okay.
Which is kind of annoying, but
what if it hits my TP right away though, like on a regular trade?
That's the thing. You have to hold it still. So like, you could technically just enter before news if you want, like 10 seconds before news.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true.
Dude, Jesus Christ, can we get a move?
Oh, here goes my cards declining now again. Fraud alert.
You have an Amex, no?
They don't take Amex. The only firm that does takes Amex is like Top Step, and like that's pretty much it.
You know that's
Tradeify doesn't even take Amex.
You know why?
Wait, why is Amex so like not taken?
You dispute. Amex always wins.
Oh, really?
That's why. Yeah.
According to them, it's also a 3% fee for them. I don't know how much I believe.
Okay.
That.
No. You buy with Amex, you dispute, you win.
Yeah.
It's Amex.
The customer support actually is so cracked. It's not even funny.
Did Tops have ever fixed their customer support?
Dude, honestly,
they
if you
did.
call them, bro, they fix your shit right away.
Call them.
Yeah,
That's
they
got.
got
Guess you
support.
got infinite for privilege, I see.
No, they got it for everyone. It's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's
I
actually
just got
pretty good.
stuck here. You pass finding next without waiting 10 seconds. I think if you, they have the right to, I confirmed with them. They're like, oh, can you pass the news? They're like, technically you have to wait for 10, seconds. But some of them, sometimes they just pass you anyway. So like you can't basically fight it though, if they have it.
Oh
But-
shit! I have a past account that I didn't even know. I didn't sign the contract. LOL.
Shit, they're gonna be like, oh, you didn't sign it in time.
Yep. I guarantee they're gonna say some stupid shit. Okay, hold on, chat. Yo. That's fire. I'm gonna sign the documents real quick.
Pen and paper. That boy locked in.
Mm-hmm. Showed
It
it
takes
pretty
40
emotional.
hours for your account to get received. God damn.
Let's see.
All right, boom. That's pretty good.
If we don't get moved
Low-key, I feel like-
soon here, I might just kill this.
What do you
You
aim
would?
for? Like 90.5?
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna kill this even. They're just stuck here. I had it
Not
at
on
706, and it just keeps on going back and forth. We did a wick to 696 and just straight back up, and I was like, okay, never mind. I want to see. I think we might just go for highs first. Take Lanto to victory, and then we can get back in range for the rest of the day. We should get that out there.
Yeah, first fucking victory of the day. Holy shit. Oh, bro, today's been just raining.
Every trade should be 10 seconds on 26. I think they have like, it's like, you can look at the policy. It's like no more than 50% of your trades or profit, something like that, can be under 10 seconds. So if you pass news, right, that'll break that. So it's not like every trade, but like it can't be like 50% of your profit or something.
This might take until
Alright,
like
Brian.
3 p.m. for these on highs.
I need to play, guys. I got my account. I'm gonna send one mini for 60 points.
Long.
60 point? Wait, you can do 2 minis, right?
Wait, how much do I need? 2,500 or
12, oh no, 15 to 1,500.
1,500? Yeah, I need one mini. I'll just do one mini. I thought Kane was trading rapid funded accounts, I believe, and he was pulling out like 9K every 3 days.
Yeah, he was, I think, but that was before the rule change, I think, and now Legacy's a lot
Wait,
better.
what's the rule change?
Not rule change, like revamp. You know how I said pricing
Oh yeah.
up for rapid,
I mean, it's
down
like
for
$10
like
more. It's whatever.
it's 20 for rapid, and then for
Oh, yeah, 20,
like so
yeah.
for Legacy, it went from I think 250 to 150. So that's like a 30-40% change. So
Yeah.
that's why Legacy is actually pretty good now. It's actually better than Top Step because activation fee alone is 150 already.
Mm-hmm.
And then no daily loss limit. People just hate the daily loss limit. It was like very tight, I think. I think it was 40%. Is this where we move low? Let me see. Gonna let this play a little bit more first before I try again at the same area. I just killed that even, so not much happened.
Yeah, we're just slow. I feel like even if I wasn't in a trade, I mean, internal move back down could make sense, but for me, it's just, I don't know. I'd want to see this trade higher at this point.
Mhm.
So move back down there's just no clarity for me.
Well, don't mind me. I think it's time to run some blackjack
What?
You're playing blackjacks?
on the side. Yeah.
Bro.
No, share your screen on Discord.
Is that legal to do
Okay,
to stream
it's
it like while trading and put it on YouTube?
I wonder. I don't think. Oh, I think gambling is banned on YouTube, right?
You probably get shut down for that.
Is it on Twitch? It is on Twitch.
Shit, what's the affiliate code for these blackjack? You gotta show your link.
Bro,
No.
Code Brian Stonk LLC.
Guys, you know Code Smart gives you a free gambling hand? Did you guys know that? Imagine. There's like incentives.
Whoa, what the hell? I feel like price is not moving that much, and then I guess a 10-point spike feels pretty good.
Rips does it? That's funny.
Rips with trash. Oh, slots. Slots is like scam. I'm gonna always say slots is a scam. Like they can program it however they want.
Or I haven't touched gambling in so long, and I don't, bro. Gambling gives me anxiety. Dead ass. Gambling's
Yeah.
so bad.
I like it to do it for fun for like minimum bet basically.
Yeah.
Like $20 or $25 hands or $15 hands, and just start with a few $100, and then like you're not trying to like double or anything. You're just trying to play for fun and see if you can make money out of it or lose. I don't know.
It's crazy. It's always a 50-50, but people always lose, right?
No, the house has the edge here. Wait, Desi, what payout does your blackjack have? Is it like 3-2 ratio, or is it was it like 6-5?
It's 3-2.
I've heard about 6-5. You know what that is?
I have no idea what 6-5 is.
Well, 3-2 is 1.5, like you 1.5 ratio. 6-5 is 1.2 ratio. They basically scamming you, and some people still play it.
When you go to Vegas, you gotta sit on the tables that give you free doubles, bro.
What does that mean?
Like if you double, you don't have to put up any money. If it's a free double.
How do you trigger that? I think I remember doing that. I didn't know how it worked.
Certain tables have it. It's like obviously it's gonna be a smaller max on how much you could gamble. Like you can only gamble like $20 on the table or like $15, but free doubles, I'll take it. Or like free splits too.
Yeah, that's good. Now we get a move. Like once I sat on this trade for like 10 minutes, just back and forth. We got 10-point move down, 5-point move up, just back and forth. Now we're getting possibly a delivery to internal lows first before probably higher. Is there an edge in free doubles, you think? Like if those are for minimum bets, or is that for any size bets?
It's for the table's maximum bets usually like $25, $20.
Yeah. So it's like you might have an edge in that one, right? If you get free doubles.
Yeah.
Then they only do that. No one's gonna try to milk them on the minimum bet or like very low.
Exactly. It's just like I guess for like.
It's like a prop firm. They give you like a tiny account. Like, oh, we'll make it cheap for you guys, get you enticed in.
That's the one. That's how I made $300 when I went to Vegas.
Oh, we should run that then.
Free double tables, dude.
Can you take the whole table and like have like 6 hands?
Yeah, you push on 22. Yeah.
I don't know what push on 22 means.
Like it's 22, it's just a push. It's not a bust.
Wait, what does push mean in blackjacks?
Like break
Lose
even
money.
basically.
Yeah.
Break even.
You said what? Break what?
Like break even.
Oh, really? On 22?
You tie. Yeah.
I'm not familiar with
Dude,
like the terms
the
for
casino-
casinos.
The dealers are kind of scary sometimes, bro. You mess up on something, if you put your hand in the wrong place, bro, they get so mad.
Yeah, that's funny.
I'm like, chill.
Bruh.
Casino makes prop looks like clown when it comes to making sure they have edge. That's why I always think, like, I feel like if you thought props is gambling, casino is like far worse. And then when you tilt on casino, you can just like lose everything. I think prop firms is like slower. Maybe you can realize it.
I gotta have a monthly review this weekend. I gotta deep dive again.
Good.
You guys think higher or lower here? It's like just back. I want to see like a nice internal retrace first before higher, but this is back and forth. I don't know.
You know my answer, Brian.
Higher. Best trade copier right now. Lanto will say probably Trade Sinker. Desi would say Replicanto, and I'm gonna say probably both Replicanto and Tradecopia.
Replicanto's number one, but you can't copy trade multiple brokers on it. That's the thing.
Yeah, that's the thing. And they don't have the system to really go improve from there.
Yeah, I did.
So
Did I tell you?
Wait,
Right?
what?
Remember, you know how I have 5 pro accounts?
Mm-hmm.
Remember how 2 randomly disappeared?
Oh,
Was
is
it
it because you hedged accidentally through the trade copier?
Yeah. I was on TradeSicker, I was copying, and it flipped 2 of my accounts.
How what's the duration of the hedge?
I don't know, I forget, but yeah, it was clear and obvious.
Oh, so tracing just fucked you 2 accounts then.
Yeah. Each had like a 23K balance. So I lost like 40K.
Whoa, you lost 23K
Yeah.
or 50K total?
Each had like about a 20 to 23K balance. So about 50.
Dude, what did tracing just cost you 50 bands in, or like almost 50 bands,
Sinker's
40
ass.
bands?
Yeah. Yeah. So whenever I trade it now, I have 3 different tabs open to trade. It's actually
I get nervous tracing, girl, honestly, because I've seen that happen way too many times and people still use it.
Dude, it's just if we come back down here, I don't fancy anything.
What if we just sweep the turtle and then run back up?
What PDR would be your entry here? At least for me, I use IFEGs and fair value apps. There'd be no entry here.
I just want the PM low taken, where it opened up at 1 p.m. and those equal lows that just got sat on ES. Might drag back in here.
That's exactly what they told me. Oh, that was the first time. I think the second day I was ever on TradeSicker, there was a bug, and they just offered compensation. I think
Compensation is free month. Like you have to pay another $100, $150, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you had this short here holding still, guys, it's looking good, but I close it out. But I think we're gonna go for these lows now. Close it out for even. I didn't close for a loss. Just right where we were. We took the entry like 07s and just kept on going back and forth. It's just not that clear as I want it to be, I feel like. But pretty good that I feel pretty good that we're gonna try to run these lows first.
Yes, is just been consolidating. Choppy chop
Thinking of
chop.
trying it again like this.
Bro.
Hmm.
That's what we got on for?
That's what did say. If we go back in range in the first 30 minutes, he's gonna be off this shit.
Yeah, especially if there's if we go back in range and there's nothing to work off, I'm just off.
Like, what the fuck is this, bro?
Bro, a discount of a shitty inside range day
Dude,
is like
look at the 15-minute, bro. From yesterday and the hourly. It's just cooked.
I know people would trade discounts of zones, but like I don't know how people would
Mhm.
trade discounts of zones and during inside days. Like this is just pure. Like I feel like it's 50,
It's hard. Yeah, you can't really
There's
do
no
it.
edge there.
Yeah. Let's see if we can tag in something here. I'm gonna try to shorten this next tap here. See if we get delivery down.
Bro, I think you mentioned like 15 times that you beat off that short, and people are still asking if you're in this short.
Are they?
Fuck, listen.
I just cut that short because it just kept on stalling. I was gonna look for a re-entry if we get more confirmation. I like it better now. I'm gonna just tag it 1 here, and then we're gonna see if we can get some ads. I think we're just gonna just draw to these lows, and we can go quick beat, break even on it, and let trail. These lows are just getting up there very quick. Liquidity King is still short from your signal. From all the up here, probably 706. That's pretty good. Pretty good for like the range we're doing right now for PM. It's been really, really tight, honestly.
Ryan thrives off this.
I don't
Kev, you
know
just-
if we
just
get
know-
delivery.
Bro, you just know. Me and Desi would be like, "Yes, this is 5-minute consolidation." I'll be like, "Yo, Brian, how'd you do today? 3 for 3." Like, Brian just be killing it.
If we get delivered, if we can actually
How does he does it?
get to the target, maybe. Yeah, slap this on in your front and next, Desi.
What
I'm
are we
also
slamming?
doing it. Shorts.
All right.
Shorts for NQ though, not ES though.
But what's the target?
Probably like 680s. Popping or 680s.
What am I doing with 5 points?
You got max size.
I can only do 2 minis on this, bro.
Oh no, we're gonna try to trail through though. I think we're gonna break 680s and then see how far we can go. What is Zeusy Genesis? Am I tripping or I don't know what that is?
Oh my god, dude. He's like, oh my god. He's like, I'm writing my will. He's like, this information I'm gonna release is gonna change people's lives. I might not live revealing this or some stupid shit.
Oh, that's some bullshit.
Definitely a marketer.
So cringe, dude.
Can I guess his race?
What?
Yes,
White.
he's white.
I have no idea. What
He
but
looks
someone was like,
European.
I never thought
Bro,
He's so white.
it was more cringe
Bro.
than anything Romeo's ever posted, bro.
Bro, white people just be the most corniest people, bro. I swear to God. I think I saw. I don't know if is it the guy that he has like red pill, blue pill. It's like ICT and then his.
No, that's
I
like
feel-
metamorphosis.
Oh no, yeah, right.
No.
Is that not
Somebody else.
metamorphosis, dude? Wait, Brian, does my drawdown go up as my profits go up?
Yeah, it's not trailing drawdown. It's just end of day, like every other account.
All right, bet.
I'm white.
I'm on this legacy here. Took the evals.
I'm racist against my
Oh, ES is moving a little bit. NQ is not really smashing it yet.
I sound Turkish.
Lendo sounds hot.
Dude, how do we speed up price action? This price action is really slow right now.
Put the stream in 2 times speed.
Pay for YouTube Premium too.
Yeah, YouTube Premium is so fire.
Oh God, it is.
I feel like
as soon as I
once
got
you
it-
have it, you can't go back, right? Like
No,
Yeah.
facts. I
you're,
got like a free
you're like
trial.
a
and I was
peasant
like,
if you go
fuck it.
back.
Yeah, dude, it's so good.
So we drew to the ES lows just barely, but I think we can get a nice drive also on NQ. NQ has been, I feel like, been weaker throughout the day, right? That's what it looks like to me. I'm looking for a slam through, see if we can get like maybe 670s.
You said
I'll be good.
What?
Yeah. 6 7 6. So I do 3 digits for NQ, 2 digits for ES. That's like what I like to do.
Chat, Brian doesn't get it.
What?
Chat, Brian doesn't get it.
6 7. Oh, what does that mean? I heard some kids say that. I'm like,
Oh,
shit, I might
chat.
be too unk for this.
Chat, do not tell him. Do not. He has to find out on his own.
Yeah, I'm gonna look it up, bro. Watch me look it
Bro,
up.
I don't even know the actual meaning to it. I just know they say it.
I saw some kids say it in front of me when I was in the cruise. I'm like, what the fuck does 6 7 mean? Okay, I'm looking it up. Modern slang, 6 7 pronounced 6 7. Most common means to go away, get lost, reject someone or something. Is that what it means?
No.
But then you gotta do the hand motions with it, Brian.
What is it?
Do it right now. All right, do it right now.
I'm up Roblox.
What?
I feel like kids say it, so I feel like I've seen it on Roblox too.
You
People
guys are
playing
getting
Roblox say it.
Oh god.
I'm getting unked as fuck right now.
Brian old as shit, what? Brian's
Oh,
like
there we go.
32,
There we
man.
go. Nice.
Oh,
I'm gonna drive down here.
no. Well, Brian, I hate to say
You slamming it?
With you.
You're slamming it?
I got
You
scared,
slamming
bro.
it? Yeah, you scared.
Bro, when ES hit the low and went back up, I closed my shit for $80.
What? No, bro. What are you doing?
I would have been up like
Dude, we're gonna go 670s here. 667 here.
this guy's not real, dude. Oh my god.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Brian's not real.
I think if we break 670, I'm just gonna look for just go hold one.
I knew 4
W
hours.
Brian short.
If you guys had at 700, this would have been pretty good. I had this earlier at 706, very little drawdown, but I had to just wait for the retap in. But chat, can someone explain what 6-7 means? Is it like would an adult know it, or does it come from like streamers or kids, or like
It's a TikTok thing.
is it TikTok? I never use TikTok really.
Look up 6-7 on TikTok, bro. Bro is actually getting onked. This is crazy.
Wait, you know it then? Oh,
Well, I know
fuck.
the meme and stuff, but the actual meaning, I think it's just from the song. Yeah.
Bro.
I don't know, dude. But it's funny as fuck though. Sometimes, like, it's kind of corny, but at the same time, it is really funny sometimes.
Shit, I'm past the consistency. I forgot to put TP target on it. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna spam buy now, sell now, till I get down. What the fuck? You know one good feature about a like trade copier, like to set automatic PT targets. That'd be good. Someone need to do that, because I just forgot about it, and then once you get over. Oh shit! I went under too fast. Damn it! Now I gotta make some.
I actually would have finished my accounts too. That's crazy.
Dude, that's why I said I have one contract on this left now. I took 2 at the PT target because I'm not really after a lot, but now I think I'll just trail this last one at 670 here. No, 6,000.
Bro has
Where are we at? I
I
did. I was like, what is it again?
Bro,
6, 7, 8.
6-7 vision. Bro, we're cooked, dude.
Probably gonna get even out. I think we just trail or we go back and forth the rest of the day. I don't think we're moving that much moving forward. Longs now. I feel like a long is possible now. Like if that was it, we got a nice drive down. We might see ES come back up here. This is Desi's territory here where he does his
Inversion.
His inversion.
Yo,
Yeah,
low-key is
look at all those
probably, this
gaps.
actually is not a bad setup, I'm not gonna lie.
So it's like, I passed it on Desi now. Let's see what he want to do with it.
Pass it on to Desi.
Pass the 6-7 to Desi. Am I using it right?
No, not at all. Oh my god, not at all, dude. Oh, dude, you might have said an original sentence. I'm passing this 7. That low key might be original.
Too unk for this. That's it. That's it. I can't do this no more. Damn, I lost too much profits. I didn't realize. I gotta make some more again. My stupid ass.
Oh, we need another Brian trade now. That's what basically happened.
I'm talking about the evals. If I did, I'm chilling, but like these evals, I kind of oofed up on a little bit.
I want to
Yes,
see
for
go
that
higher.
30.
I kept on spamming. I spammed like buy sell until I saw it go down. I'm like, wait, then the price is moving fast too. I just went under like $500 or like a few $100.
I'll give this, if we tap this FEG, I'll give it a chance.
The 1 minute,
Yeah.
right? In theory, yes. I feel like ES you have a better shot, to be honest.
Low key, probably do, but I'm gonna take it on NQ because I'm addicted to NQ.
And he's like crap.
It's like that volatility.
The volatility.
I can't go back. Chat, who made money in that short move down though? Type one if you made money. Short move down. BFS at his best. No one can trade trash P like this guy. Lento literally said that. I mean, I feel like this makes sense. I feel like if I were to frame this up, take the entire low and then run it back up to the highs, and then that's where we get it. But the trade ran 25 points target and then a little bit extra 33 if you were to hold through it.
Dude,
But
I should have smacked the inversion, huh?
Dude, that's why I told you it's a V reversal. You're not gonna look. I did the same thing yesterday. I was like, I like this long so much now. We took the ES lows, and we did not get a single retrace back to any fair value gap, any PD raise. It just kind of ran.
Just it's going, bro.
That's what it's doing for September. Like, you thought it was gonna move back? Nope. We gone. And then now we're gonna go for the highs.
Yep.
Who played for the reversal here?
That's clean reversal. Not gonna lie.
Oh, by the way, Desi, what's the next play here for
Dude,
Robin
fucking
Hood?
long this into equal
For
highs, bro.
Robin Hood,
Oh shit.
you
Low
gave
key,
me
yo, chat.
you gave me snap.
I told Brian, I was like, dude, trust me, long Snapchat. That
it
shit
was
a good
it was
ass long.
flat for like I think a week or two, and then randomly just popped up, like slowly started grinding up, and it spiked like 15% overnight. And I saw that, I was like, I'm gonna sell it. Let me see what it was. Desi told me to buy August 15th. It was like more than a month ago. I just sold it like last week.
I told him August 15th it was at $7, dude.
Yeah, 721. That's the thing. I sold at 814, so I was like, it's $1, but this is probably 15% gain here.
Yeah, it's a big.
I think I saw at least 3K or something like that P&L out of 25K balance on it. So what is the next one?
Really good.
Maybe ask Lanto what's the next one, because I try to guess for you, Lanto. I bought Kava and it did not do good.
Frick Kaba. I don't eat that anymore.
What do you eat now? Chick-fil-A? Should I buy? Wait,
Yo,
Chick-fil-A is a private.
Lento, I have a
dog.
Kava next to me. Give me your order, bro. My bad, I didn't make a good job, Brian. I need that order.
Actually, I've said it before.
Text it to me.
I'm trying to find it.
Intel's mooning too, yeah.
Yeah. But what's the next
Oh, we really
stop, chat?
V-shaped right into high day. What a move.
That's what I be saying. Like, I'm not asking for much. I was looking for 670. It went
Yeah.
665, right? 5 points under my target or like through it, and then just flipped up. And I'm like, Daddy, this is you now. We hit the target, take my target out, and then this is an inversion. But what's the next stock? Maybe I ask Lanto this time. You have anything that you like at all?
Nah.
You don't like anything, bro?
I don't really trade or not trade.
No.
I don't really look at individual tickers like that.
You don't have to. I'm just saying like a company wise. Like I don't know if Desi was looking at Snapchat or maybe he was watching it.
I was watching because every time it dumps on ER and it goes right back up. That was
Oh.
my
I have no clue.
Let me see. You like Weeble?
I would never
Yo,
buy a broken
Brian, if you
stock.
actually want long-term plays, Saheb in the Discord, bro, in the long-term investing channel is like one of the greatest long-term investors I know.
Really?
That man is a demon.
What does he buy? Like pennies? Like not penny stocks, right? Just regular
Everything,
stock.
bro. Hot mid caps, little small caps, big caps.
Dude, just run this PDH, bro. Come on.
See,
Okay.
dude, we can both win, Lanto. Like I took my short. Now it's your turn to take your high day.
Yeah. Let's see if we run it.
Yeah, we should. Sorry, let's go to yep.
Sahib, is it Sahib? Is that Indian or
Yeah.
what?
He's Indian, yeah, Punjabi.
Wait, Chase, you tried the Kava order? Have I set that in here?
You probably did, bro. You had
Bro,
a
it's so
Kava arc, bro. I have
Send
messages.
it. I look you want.
All right, you want me to send it? All right,
I
let me
might
find
go
it first.
today, low key.
You
Oh,
know what
actually-
you said, Lanto? You said this order top 3 most goated thing I put in my mouth. Did
No
you said
way.
that? You said that in our group chat. Top 3 most
Yeah.
goated thing you put in your mouth, and then I'm not gonna say what the other 2 is. It's like kind of like not. It's like personal.
Let me read it, bro. I'll read it off. to the
Brian,
chat.
what what is this dude yapping about?
Oh wait, Brian, send the message.
Bro,
Or let me see what the message is.
I'll.
You can even say with a straight face.
No.
Reply to the message so I can see this.
I'm on streamer mode. I gotta turn on streamer mode first.
All right, we're getting a drive down. Let's see if we can look for longs here.
Dude, why is
I
stream
can't,
mode?
bro. I can't send the order. Hold up. I can't send the order. Okay.
I see it. I see it.
I have to do. Oh, you have the order?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, chat. I'm gonna jab a long if we get this gap right. Actually, I'm gonna jab a small long on NQ like in the 80s right here, with my stop at 60.
Dude, that's a big
I'm gonna wait.
drive already.
I'm gonna wait a bit more. If we come back up, hard attempt, but
It's
I was eyeing the phone to
1.7.
trade, but I'm still waiting.
I
I'll look
think
at
I
the-
kind of like longs here, too.
Yeah, I jabbed 80s.
Talk about that woman in gap down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's see.
I see too many vegetables right there, Lance. I'm not gonna lie.
But it's good. It's good, bro. It's good.
You see what I said?
There's sauce in there. Listen, there's sauce in there that makes it all taste good.
But
Just make sure when you get it, you like toss it.
yeah, I'll try it.
Do you still like it, Lento?
I mean, yeah, I just haven't had it in a minute. I ate it so much, I kind of got sick and tired of it.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's something you would like. 'Cause it kind of has the stuff like, not to like sound like weird. It just has like,
Bro, let's say Asian stuff, but it's not even
yeah,
Asian.
that's what I mean.
It's not even Asian though.
No, like it has like, never mind.
This is what Lento said here, guys. This is the order: super greens, samek rice, honey, harissa chicken, crazy feta. I don't like feta at all. tzatziki, red pepper hummus, corn, tomato, cucumber, crumble feta, pita crisp, avocado, and I don't know what this is. Scug dressing. What the hell is that?
Is there tzatziki in there? I forgot.
No,
Yeah, it
you,
is.
yeah, you tzatziki already. And then when you get kava, get this and a side of pizza. I promise you. And he said top 5 thing I ever put in my mouth. I'm gonna just crop out what he said after because it's not really for
Yo,
eyes.
Chat, should I just leak our FaceTime call and what you did from way back? Chat, should I leak it? This dude on FaceTime was holding his piece in front of me
No,
and just
why
waving
are you
it.
saying that?
And just waving it, bro.
Dude, now chat thinks it's weird as shit. Like I did it like kind of
God.
under the cover type of thing, but you just
Brian buttoned down and had his fucking piece in his hand, bro.
WS and you
He's like-
stayed on.
Listen. So he called me, and his face is like his phone is really close to his face initially. He's like, "Lance, I got a surprise for you." I'm like, "What, bro?" And he just zooms. He just turns the camera down. And just starts waving it.
Bro, dude, chat's gonna leave now. They said, "What? I'm not with this."
Oh my god, bro.
Dude, now you're going too far.
Yeah, but Chad, that's how you really know if you're gay, though. Because if you low-key get bricked off that, you're gay. You know?
If you can't act gay with your homies, you're gay.
What?
Yeah. Bro, on God.
What do you say?
I said if you
What?
can't act gay with your homies, you might actually be gay. Chat, am I not right? Bro, if you like get weirded out or like if you're like, I don't know, a little sus when like I say like a gay joke, like you might actually have like gay tendencies. Like when you're straight, like you don't like think about
I
your sexuality.
fully agree with you, Lento. I'm not gonna lie. Like, bro, you know what people actually get mad when you say something gay? Like, oh my god. Like, no, they're actually gay, bro, because they're like insecure about it.
What?
Alright, bro. Brian actually might be gay.
What?
Did I see? It's only gay if you like it.
That's what I'm saying.
Talks by experience. Yeah, matter of fact, they are talking by experience.
Dude, I'm about to get stopped out on this, bro. I should have just took your short. I would have been done.
It's just up and down. I'm just, dude. I'm
It is,
just.
I think it's still good though. I think you
I
have a
only
good
like
chance.
higher prices. I only like higher prices. I don't want to see it move back down. It's just very up and
But
down.
yeah, I think if we get under 670, 665s,
I'm gonna close my trade here for like -8. I'm gonna wait if we get like a move back up into the
That's probably
IFG gap.
safer, to be
If
honest.
we get an IFG up there, I'll look again. But let me not do this.
He talks shit about ITT now. Someone said Zeusy new trade style. Dude, everyone goes through that phase where they just like they learn from him, they praise IT, and then they're just like, I don't trade IT. He's trad, blah blah. Like I don't know why it's like a cycle. Like everyone does it.
Dude, how do we not take high day? Oh my god.
I always stand the same firmness where I'm like, you know, he could be a fraud in the way that he like demo trade, do all this stuff, but like, you know, it's still the way that he delivers it is his style and stuff.
Yeah, it's so crazy how like people loved ICT a year ago and now they hate it.
I don't
Crazy how
know.
people just clown it.
They turn. I think they want their own thing. They want to call it their own. They're like, this is my model now. This is the Zeusy trading style now, or whatever it is. But I think that helps make more money because if you're a like someone trying to sell something and it's something like under the ICT umbrella, you're not able to sell it well. But you sell it under your own umbrella, you know, thinking about it, that probably is the way that to do shit. I don't know. Label as your own. The Genesis model. What's your what would you call yours, Lanto? Like, if you can't say your own name, but you call it like a, you know, like Genesis or theory, something like that. What do you call your strategy?
I'll probably call it the BSB model.
BSB.
Yeah.
The BSB model.
This
Watch this
looks
candle come right
good.
back down,
This looks
bro.
good here.
The gayest model? Ooh, that's kind of fire.
If we go invert, off this 2:05 p.m.
Two-
candle. I'm gonna take on
yeah.
ES.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jab with the swing low stop.
I like
Again, I'm
that.
still out first. Just gotta see a push.
I want to see a continuation, bro.
It's just so up and down. That's all it is.
Yeah, it's high resistance. Fuck.
Days like these are just best to downsize. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm content with taking like more jabs on days like these. It'll drop like technically it'll drop the win rate, but it won't do much.
I need this to pump.
Yeah, pump would be nice.
I always forget to trade my fucking Project X. Like Lucy's the only one I have Project X right now. Yeah, I gotta get some trades on, guys. Let me know. Let me know. What's the move? What's the move?
Bro, I don't know how you do this PM session shit, Brian. Shit's so ass, bro.
I don't know, man. You just gotta push through it. You find something. You know, like it feels like if you're used to shit, you're already familiar with it. You're like, you know what? This is a normal, you know.
Yeah.
But if you're used to like AM brace action, where it's like good delivery, very nice, you know, shit like that, you're not gonna like a different session.
Skill issue, dude, it might be, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
That's what I'm
Brian,
saying.
Brian thrives in these conditions though. This is just he just be eating up here. Look, he's 1 for 1 right now. Caught a banger, and now he's just chilling. Whilst we've literally just
I'm
been
trying to
inside
get the
this
long
one
now
time.
with the eyes.
Like, Brian's a baller, bro. Like honestly, bro, you're a baller. I don't know how to say that.
What the heck?
I don't know.
It's called Stockholm syndrome. See, yeah, there's terms for it. I probably heard of that. I don't know exactly what it means.
Oh my god, I got paper handed out of my trade. I blame Brian, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's see. A psychological response in which a captive develops a positive emotional bond with their abuser. No, this is not it. With their abuser captor, often due to stress or trauma situations.
What are you
necessity.
reading?
Someone said the way that I'm trading PM is like Stockholm syndrome. That's not the case.
Stockholm syndrome is that's when you like fall in love with your kidnapper, right?
Yeah, they're trying to compare that I like trading PM in that same like view. Like I'm falling in love with like my abuser, which is PM price action.
Anderson, fuck no. I mean, I've been doing good on payouts, but that's because I've like built them up for months. So even any course are drawn out on them, like I'm chilling. But no. Desi Brian, they've crushed this month. I've had a shit month. I've just been flat.
Doing
I've had a good week, but like this week I'm like up like a 5-6 R. But like the first 3 weeks I was down probably like a 2-3 R in each week.
I feel like you took really good trades though. The delivery wasn't there.
Mhm.
This week, yeah. This week, yeah. Prior to this week, fuck no. Very undisciplined.
Because
Nice.
when you posted yesterday, you're like, oh, I don't think I was like. But I thought that was a good setup too, but I don't know.
Yeah.
You didn't tag back in. I only had one contract on the original tap. And it's a bad
I'm not
injury.
trying to jinx it, bro. Chill.
I think we got it. Yeah, I only have one in, and it's not the best entry earlier. I think the 1 minute fair gap you had was like pretty spot on. So I just had it at the lows under 670s.
We're starting to see volatility here, though. The up and down moves that we are seeing now are better, but you got to see follow through. So I'm looking for PDH on ES because it's realistic. It's a lot closer than PDH on NQ. But I'm break even off the swing high if we do run it. Break even stops.
Zusi's branding his as time and level. He claims he can catch exact tops and bottoms. There's videos of him on live trades. Like, are you backing him, OGX or OGK? Like, you've seen him trade live with it and do it consistently?
Can I ask this? At any point of what he's taught, has he showcased transparency in the course of drawdown? That's my question. That's my only question. Answer that. At any point through what he's been trying to sell, has he showcased losers? Has he showcased the course of drawdown? No, never. There's your answer.
He said no, just recording. That's exactly the case then.
There's your answer. There's your answer. There's your answer.
Yep. I think I'm not gonna go for the highs. I'm just gonna go for if we get above 7-11. That's probably
You have to
good enough for me. If he's trying to only call top and bottom, he's doing the same shit as Romeo. It's like very good marketing, but it's not realistic trading if you're only trying to go for tops and bottoms.
Dude, if someone sells you something and they never show you, or I don't know, they just never show you the course, like anything in terms of drawdown, like they're scamming you, bro. I promise you. Because drawdown's like everyone suffers. Everyone has drawdown. No one ever has 100% win rate. So when he does lose, does he talk about it? Does he showcase it? That's the question.
This is my execution tool, guys. Short here, TP'd, and then long back in. And then we're trying to see if we can just get a nice round trip back up. Pretty good. This is on my live as well.
Real traders know how to trade the chop. It depends. It depends how active you are. If you're a trader who's like actively risk on, say, set duration in the market or like the year, yeah, but you don't have to be trade chop. I've done both. I've traded chop, but I haven't. It just depends on you.
He opened a pay group, and I remember he was charging like $300 for lifetime, but he was getting a lot of volume.
Yeah, that's why Brian's a dub. That's why you see me hop on these lives. It's because Brian's a W mans. You will never see me hop on a live.
Leto's my number one glazer, guys.
No, okay. You know what? We're done.
You know what? Fuck you, Brian.
15K for a member. Yeah, that's crazy.
15K? Damn.
I don't know, man. You ask me. I don't know.
Hey, Brian.
Good Leto. Have some smart points.
Hey, the guy who pulled 115K from Funded Next, was that legacy account or Rapid?
It was actually Rapid accounts.
Damn, so he waited what, 5 payouts? 15 days?
So it's like a 6 payout. It was 18 days total. He had all green days, so 5 payouts, 3 days. So that's 15 days, and then his 6th one is uncapped. I think he took the whole thing.
That's fire.
Dude, are we gonna go straight back down? That shit is. Hold this, guys, or just close this, or put break even.
Yo, Jackson, chill. That's my humor. That's how I am. If you know me IRL too, like I go even farther, just like test. That's it.
I'm sure in the evals, you know, this is my cash count. This is Brian Stonk on it.
Leto.
What?
Look at him what I sent you on Twitter. Brian, did not open this on stream, bro.
What is it?
Bro, what the fuck?
Holy shit, dude.
Wait, what is this?
Nah, Brian, that's a crazy selfie of you.
Me?
Dude.
What are you talking about?
You,
Yo, Brian, why would you take a photo like that?
Bro, Lantail is literally #1 rage baiter.
I'm confused. I haven't looked.
I think
Is he?
But don't open it on stream.
Wait, why? It's just the rapper, right?
I guess. The lyrics are a little crazy.
Oh.
He said, "Oh."
I mean, I'm aware of what's happening with them, but why would that be like sensitive?
I mean, bro,
Look at him, bro. Look at him in the photo, bro.
Yeah.
Tell me what's wrong with the photo. I'm confused. Like he looks like edited.
Young Thug fell off. Appreciate it, Jay. Preach.
That's been grinding, bro. I don't know how you just burn out.
Last like 2 days, we caught like 300-point trades, bro. That's just crazy.
That's what's up, and then that's why your viewers going up because you're actually cooking, and then they're like, wait, what's happening? And then your top step, you did like, what was it, 120,000 in a week?
Yeah, and then
on 3 counts.
Like today I did I was up like 10 something. I was up like 12K I think on one of my accounts, and I gave like 90% back. And
Damn.
Trading the fucking another downside.
Just bring them signal bots on, boy. Bring them on.
God. On God.
Just know you take a loser, bro. You won't hear the end of it.
It's over, dude.
Every time I take a loser, though, they're like, "How are you profitable, Brian?" Like, I don't understand.
You take one loser, they'll like troll you, but like, okay, whatever. You take a second loser, they'll be like, "How are you even profitable?" You know?
Yeah.
How do you even make money?
Not bad today, though. I took one break even, which I should have probably held, but this is a hindsight thinking. Took a short, ran it for like 25 points, and then took a long with Desi here. I thought, and Atlanta. I think you were long too, right? I think everyone's looking for a reversal backup.
I'm looking for PDH as TP for me.
I feel like it's hard for me to go for that on Fridays when I feel like maybe it's try range bound, but you know, I'm content with this at least. Round trip. First time I see Stockman win. Probably this week, honestly. This week has been not that good for me.
First time you see Stockman, yo.
Streets are saying Brian's unprofitable.
Yeah, that's what he said. He said, "How does he make money?"
I guess.
Damn, Lanto, you're about to run this shit here.
Yeah, I'll bring
Dude,
you back.
I
Mr.
can't
Paper
believe I
Hands.
fucking closed that. I mean, I got back in, but damn. It's a good trade.
All right, run PDH here. Come on.
See if ES goes to 90. What is it? 6705?
I made a rack on my Lucid too all that long. So now I need chat. Is it 159K? I need 3K more for payout now. Not bad, right? We're getting close for the next payout.
Let's switch 2P here. I would be very down with Rebate on the day.
You mentioned when you entered this long. I said I was going to enter with Desi off this 1 minute gap here, and then I think Lanto was looking for the same thing. But if you didn't take the long, you took the short. If you didn't take the short, you're taking something. We're calling both sides here. The whole stream, I just wanted internal sweep, and then we can take the high of the day.
So said, who's the dude who FOMO'd back in? I've had long bias the entire PM session. I don't know how you can FOMO back in. I've had long bias the entire PM
Don't
session.
get rage baited by chat, man.
Brian's chat Hall of Fame rage baiters, bro.
I mean, you're looking good here. Chat, how many of you guys made money on the stream so far? Playing the short, playing the long, playing both? Take one.
Yeah, for me, it's this PM. It's just been upside interest for me because I just trading back down. You're trading back down into the range off AM. It's, for me, there's just no clarity. There's no A plus anything there. So
At least the short was pretty clear. I'm pretty sure we had this out open for the whole time.
here comes Lemon Highs for NQ potentially.
See, I passed the 6-7 to Desi for the long reversal backup, and chat is saying like thank you, Desi, for that, for the long.
WW. I'm glad you got
It's the assists.
the what?
It's the assists here. I passed you the assists.
Brian passed me the 6-7, guys. So whatever that.
Yeah, whatever. should I look up TikTok? 6-7.
Yes, bro. Look up 6-7. Yes, bro.
Yo, Brian, from now on out, every time you hit TP, you should do the 6-7 motion.
On God.
Let me see here.
You're
This
like about 3
guy-
months late. Like 3 weeks late on the trend, but it's fine.
I don't even hear the volume. What the hell? Oh.
Here's the thing, I don't have my coffee today because I need you to listen to the words that are coming out
Dude,
of
but
my
bro,
mouth.
this shit's so
because
dumb.
This word, I defined it back in February. It has been around that
Who's this
long,
knock on
but
my
I am still
screen?
getting so many requests daily. What's 6-7 mean? What's 6-7 mean? What's
Harvey
6-7
Yo,
mean?
hurry
It's
up.
blown up even more, and here I am to define it for you again. So we got to go all the way back to the beginning. Now, there is a song by Skrilla named
Skrilla?
In the song, there's a reference to the number 6-7. It goes da 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 6-7. Now, this number was then popularized by different creators, primarily creating basketball.
Dude, this is so
sports
long.
Edits and using that song over the
Bro, it
edits.
just-
Now, most
it
predominantly,
shouldn't be that long.
LaMelo Ball was a part of the edits, and we.
Bro, this dude's giving you a detailed explanation of 6-7, like, bro.
I don't know. I
Holy
was. That was the first one I saw.
Dude, what's this guy doing?
I was looking for like a 15-second explanation. He has like 2 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You made the 6-7 thing? 6-7. People always say that. They spam it.
Hey mom, how much for that bottle of mustard?
I don't know, $6, $7? Mustard,
6-7. I just bit right on the highway. Track hawking sitting in the driveway.
Okay. I still don't know what it means though, but. Shit.
Sorry, Brian. You'll get there eventually.
If I said, my son told me that weeks ago, you're wicked late. Damn. I'm late as hell.
How often do you go on TikTok?
I don't have TikTok app.
Hmm?
No, I don't. I go on Twitter more. Twitter, I don't
So-
use Instagram anymore. I go on YouTube. I'm versed on YouTube a little bit.
So when you lay down, you're about to fall asleep, you don't scroll on TikTok?
I just scroll on YouTube, maybe like watching shorts or something.
Yeah.
You're on TikTok, Lanto? Aren't you too old to be on
Yeah.
TikTok?
YouTube Shorts in the big 25 is crazy. I know.
Yo, Brian.
I'm not
you're coming
25
at-
yet. What the hell are you talking
Brian,
about?
You're coming energy when you're literally 25. You're pushing 30 years old, brother.
Bro, what? Just like I feel like a few months ago, people were saying I look 14, and now you're saying I'm 30 plus.
Yes, bro.
They're just being happy. They were just telling you that because they wanted signals from you. You know, that's why. They're like, let's get them in a good mood so you could just give us some signals. You know, that's why. No. Nah. You're what? You're 24, yeah?
Yeah. Just turned 24 though. So,
Chat, do you feel like a 24-year-old would still be on TikTok, no? Like
You think
scrolling
so?
here and there?
Chat,
Yeah, bro.
comment your age and if you use TikTok or not. If you want to share it. Or you can share like if you're like 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. What do you use TikTok for though, like Lanto? I'm confused.
I just scroll for you page. I just look at stuff.
What's your For You page? Matter of fact, take a screenshot and send it in the chat.
Oh, yeah, Tessie does my for you page. No,
Dude,
Tessie
Lando's
does my
For
for
You
you
page is
page.
actually like haunted, dude. Like, dude, I have to like take a deep breath before like getting in. It's like people would die.
Bro, it's
It's
bad.
crazy.
Whoa, what?
They saying
No, no, no.
6'7".
The video you sent me, the truck got ran over by the train. I mean, the guy didn't die.
No one did. It was just like a truck got stuck in the middle of a train track.
Then he's
No one
Reels.
like once a week he sends me like a random. That was crazy.
No, mine's just stupid. Mine's like just.
It's funny though. I'm not gonna lie. The memes are like hilarious. It was really
It's
good.
a combination of like meme TikToks and it's a combination of like sports edits.
Mm-hmm. So I look at TikTok sometimes mainly for conspiracy theory. I feel like I always see someone send like clips of it or TikToks of it. It's like the most like no source, just random theories. And it's like, are you guys watch? Are you eating this up? Let me see. What else do you guys watch, chat? Like, what could you watch on TikTok that could be also on like YouTube or something? Like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. I feel like TikTok is just like a lot of brain rot stuff.
I feel like YouTube Shorts get everything last.
They're pretty late with it, but you know, like it's fine.
They filter out the brain rot or what?
I feel like they do filter it out. They don't have as much brain rot. Like it's like more clean.
That's what you want you to think, bro. That's what you
YouTube
want you
made
to think.
TikTok's good. Mine fluctuates though. Sometimes it's like dog and cat edits. Sometimes it's like science, like
Yeah.
conspiracy theories. Joe Rogan like podcast edits. And sometimes it's just like
Nah,
I gotta
I'm not trying to
bomb.
use TikTok for that. Then
no,
pass.
you're not really using it. You're just I don't know. You're just scrolling when you're bored, like extremely bored. You have nothing to do. Just go on there. Just look at
Why
stuff.
not? Why not other like? Why not Twitter? Like Twitter's been fine.
Twitter's
right?
dude, Twitter's more cancer than TikTok. Twitter's bro.
It's not as brain rot. Maybe it's more political. I feel
Bro,
like
you could make a fresh account and you'll reload your timeline and you just see videos of people just dying, bro. It's
Yeah,
actually
no.
bad.
Yeah.
Twitter's like depressing, bro. Everything you see, like I even try to like more like dog posts. Oh, planet's doing what? Like wholesome ass posts, bro. But nope. As soon as I log, I got getting.
yeah, I can see that. Like they do a lot of like graphic stuff or politics or just whatever news.
Like, for example, like obviously not like political stuff, but like Charlie Kirk got assassinated, bro. I refresh my timeline, like I can't even scroll past it. There's just a close-up video of what happened. I'm like,
Yeah.
dude, what the hell?
Yeah.
You guys know me, right? That close-up video of Charlie Kirk,
Mhm.
bro. That was crazy.
That shit kind of. I didn't want to see that. I didn't want to see that Charlie Kirk either. More so.
Yeah, that's probably the worst video I've ever seen.
For him to go out like that.
When you sent it, like, there's no way actually like the fact that they just let it happen. I don't know. It's crazy. It's a lot of gore.
That's what Chad's saying. Twitter is real. It's unfiltered. They just show you whatever.
Yeah,
But it's
that's fine. Like that's cool, but sometimes you don't want to see this fucking with dinos.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. If you get caught up in that too much as well, like it could really fuck your mental up.
But TikTok is no. YouTube is late, but I think YouTube's been more filtered and clean.
Yeah, but YouTube's more like generic.
That's why I feel like I'm on more. What you're saying was the best option to get on if you're on a budget? 150K tops up or the Legacy Rapid? Probably the Legacy right now. Because activation fee is $150 tops up. It's way too high. You can change your Twitter timeline not to show any graphic stuff. Oh, I mean, yeah, then maybe that helped it then.
I don't know.
But dude, I'm surprised. I told Lanto and Desi, I'm like, I don't know if I want to go live today. I went shit yesterday. I probably just want to reset. And then I came into the price action that they feel like is dog shit, but I actually like this. So made some money.
I thought it would have been bad if it came all the way back down, but it's
It didn't come down. Like, I did what you also thought too, maybe like drive and turn low, come back up, and then like do a reversal basically, and then we can run the eyes. That felt a lot cleaner to me too.
Ideally push now. PDH. Anyone ES long looking for PDH? That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
PDH.
ES. I thought ES was like the stronger asset, and then you just short NQ. But they're moving very similar right now. NQ's like stepping up.
Yeah.
How did you learn to not be distracted by P&L? You can change it to show ticks or points. I think that helps a lot. People who's too concerned over P&Ls. So instead of like viewing like this is like $500 profit or $5 loss, it'll be like 10-point loss, or 15-point loss or gain. So like you're thinking that way instead of monetary value. If you're struggling with like controlling it.
I think downsizing is always key as well.
Yeah,
if you ever feel like overwhelmed, downsizing always helps. People like they ask me like, "Yo, should I trade demo?" I'm like, "Nah, I would never trade demo, honestly." And I only say that because when you trade demo, there's a difference between trading demo and trading actual risk. You know?
Yeah.
So I feel like at the most downsize because trading demo will do you nothing. It won't do you much. You'll get better in terms of being able to read a chart, but your execution doesn't. Once you put real risk on, it's completely different. You feel way different. It's natural.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
So,
gonna wrap it up, guys. Went live in the morning too. Chill out.
You said live in the morning?
I said I went live in the morning.
Oh.
I'm tired.
We're not trading, bro. We're just chatting for the rest of the session.
Dude, I need to go make food, bro.
6-7.
You did go live a lot this week.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Peace and love, chat. Brian Lynch. I'll talk to you guys.
See ya. See ya. We gotta see it through, Lanto. We gotta see the highs.
Yeah, I like to see a push here. Just hold up here. Let's ride up.
Oh, we did SMT on the high that made 830 versus 10. You just popped up and you didn't. Oh, okay.
I'd be shocked if we come back down though now before either NQ runs London highs or ES runs PDH.
Yeah. Yeah. One thing I'm trying to, I feel like I've been running prop firms for the first, like I talked to you a little bit about this, like the first 7 months I was on a roll with them, and August stumped me, and ever since I've been like kind of just not going back to the groove again. I need to step it up if I want to hit the goals I want. Do you know what payouts number you're doing, or are you trading like 50 per, like what for your profits this year? Do you know if it's like half props, half like you know, trade bait or something, like your cash count?
Yeah. I'd say like earlier on this year, because I wasn't as size as I was now. Early on this year, it definitely was probably a bit over on props compared to the live account. But now, honestly, I've just been trading a bit less props, and I've just been more so sizing on my cash on top of like the firms that I really enjoy, like TBT live account, TS is good, like those on cap firms, because I can really scale it and trade it like how I really want to. Yeah. So now it's just more so like I'm big baller sized, at least for me. There's definitely people that do more than me for my cash account.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the giveaway while we talk this. But yeah, I think the start of the year, all the way to July, I was doing like 100K to 200K per month pretty consistently. And then now it's been like 50, 30. Just because also I'm taking like trips too. So like I'm not fully locked in as much. I need to get back into it. But I think I'm probably like 900K profits right now in payouts. But that's like not net though. Like I have expenses too. But I wanted to run it up a little bit more. Slowing down. I'm so busy.
Last month is kind of what carried me in terms of payouts this month, because I'm over 100K this month on payouts, but I haven't performed extremely well this month. It's because, like I tell this all the time, like when you focus on growing your accounts properly, if you have a small bad stretch, like that shouldn't affect the overall outcome. The only way it really does is if you're extremely high leveraged all the time. Yeah, like for example, like me being in drawdown on these TBT live accounts, like I had a really good month last month with them, scaling them up, and so obviously, first couple weeks of this month, you know, draw down, but it's not at a point where like I'm blowing them or almost at blowing them. It's just more so managing properly. And so like a week like this for me, like on my TBT accounts, like first 3 weeks essentially mitigated through my performance this week on TBT. So, and like obviously for me, I feel like personally, obviously some of you guys probably in chat have thrived this month. First couple weeks of this month, 2-3 weeks specifically, probably the worst 2 to 3 weeks stretch that I've had all year. In terms of just like stagnant, you know, losers. It's just stagnant overall. So now it's good to like just get back on it. I obviously still have ways to go, but I was definitely undisciplined.
The payouts you're talking about, like you're stagnant this month, but payouts is like kind of like profits that you made last month. You think is that the case?
Yeah,
that was what happened.
Like, It's 67.5 off TBT. I got another 35 to 40. I forget how much it was. It was 35. The alpha. And then I have these Lucid payouts today, which actually Lucid I've been scaling nicely, but it's all been like built up, you know. Yeah.
I mean, some expenses. I'm probably at 900, a million in prop payouts, and probably like 220, 200K in prop expenses, but also not including the reserve. Like it's also including the reserves that have like on TPT I have like 30 counts. And a few of the firms I have a handful, so still I guess it's like 4 or 5x. Could be better.
That's still really good, but for me, mine was the most when I was trying to like stack or like passive evals. A lot of firms that I was trading. Remember, I was like trading up to 9 at one point.
Yeah, that's what happens to me. I feel like when I'm trading too much, I don't know, something just goes wrong. I'm just burning a lot of cash.
What I've just ended up doing, like for example, the Fundindex accounts that I have, like those, I just haven't touched those. Obviously, my Apex accounts, who I've had for a fucking long time, I haven't touched those. I'm waiting. And then right now, I'm just trading TBT Alpha. I've just been compounding TBT, what else? TS and basically my cash account. Those are the big three I've been trading. Those are the years.
But yeah, that's. I mean, it still feels like I'm probably gonna be net at least like 700K so far, and like if I keep on going to like October, November, December, we'll probably be like maybe 1.4, 1.5 million prop payouts if we can get back up. If not, it'll be like 1.2 or something, 1.3. I'll still be able to net probably a million in net profit something.
Yeah.
That's just from prop firms, and I haven't been trading as much on my Robinhood. I think I'm up like maybe 100 something Robinhood, and my trade rate maybe 100. I think yours is more 50-50, right? Oh yeah, crypto, you're like up like 500K, some shit.
Yeah, that was good. That was probably my best. Would you consider it a trade? Because it was a couple months of holding. So, you say a trade, yeah?
It's a swing trade.
Yeah, bro. Bought Ethereum at 1,500. Best purchase I've ever had in terms of investment wise.
You're gonna tell your children that, bro. You're gonna be like, back in my day, I bought Ethereum at 1,600 or something. Now it's at 50,000. I bought it that much. No, I flipped it for double the profits in under 2 months, 3 months.
Yeah.
Would you think you would regret it though? Like if you see Ethereum like in like 5 years, like 50,000, 100,000?
Nah, I'm gonna buy back in. I'm just waiting for it to correct more. So we had such a big push on Ethereum. I want to see it trade a bit lower, and then I'm gonna re-add.
Mm-hmm. Using TradeSync. Lanto used TradeSync, and he got I think some issue, but overall still good, right? Like besides that, everything's clean with TradeSync.
Yeah,
Lanto.
right. Yeah,
I've been using Replicanto and Tradecopia. They've been Replicanto is good. I'm waiting for Tradecopia to have projects, and then I'll probably shift to like one Tradecopier.
Yeah.
Tradecopia is also very fresh. I think they're only like 2 months now, guys. No, not 2 months. 1 month since launch, but they've been working for like a handful of months. But now, like when you have live people testing it, they're trying to fix all the bugs and everything. So TradeSync has been here for like probably a year now. You think?
Yeah. It's like they still got to step it up though. Obviously, it's still a brand new like niche in the market. So
yeah, Tradecopia is the best. Nice. You own Tradecopia? No, I don't. We just partnered though with SPF. We had a better relation, but we're still working though. We're giving free licenses. So if you make 15 purchases, you get a free month. We're gonna keep on doing that.
kind of wicked like that weirdly.
Yeah.
That was a weird wick shot.
Did you part ways with Tradecopia? No. I originally I talked about this like weeks ago. I was very deeply involved, but then like we kind of have our differences. They went a different direction, so like I took a step back in part of the core team, but we're still working with them. I just don't know what's going on in the core anymore or involved in that way.
That's a weird candle.
Yeah. When is Lucid gonna announce Trade of 8? October? I think they're gonna announce. They are at beta. It should be like ready next week. So if you, those who are waiting for Lucid to have Trade of 8 and InTrade, you're gonna get it probably next week. Maybe there'll be a deal. I don't know, but it's good time.
Damn, they still haven't incorporated that. I remember when I first bought accounts. Remember, I bought those Lucid accounts, and I was like, "Oh, dang, I gotta return them because they're not Trade of 8." But yeah, Lucid's a really good firm. Sorry, W. Brian came on. What you're 2 for 2, yeah?
Yeah, chilling.
Yeah.
Probably up like on all my fundeds and live. We're doing like 12 G's. I kind of sized down a little bit today. Yesterday, I just sized way too heavy. Like I made 12,000 on live, and I think down quite a bit on my fundeds. Just sizing with a lot. Yesterday we had a lot more range. Dude. Today's very slow pace. I feel like.
Mm-hmm. Telling this trader that wick almost took me out break even.
Oh, I forgot the giveaway. Did someone get the giveaway?
Try to see how volatile this is. We eventually hit PDH as well.
Giveaway today, guys, is Chris Lee, Fishy Bish, and Dennis Dominis. Dennis Dominis. Anyone in chat? Anyone in chat from these three here? You guys, there's only 200 entries. That's not that many. But I'm wondering, like, are people not from the stream able to see this, or just entering? It's already done. We did 3 giveaways. We're doing it daily, so it's in the Discord, Smart Prop Discord giveaways. You just press one button. We do this daily, so you can see like how many we do. So like we're kind of giving out like probably like 20 counts per week, 80 a month, just from the streams.
There's no way we run these highs again. I was 2 ticks away on ES from B. Jesus.
Damn. See, that's how chat doesn't listen. Like, I had the giveaway screen up. I said giveaway in Discord. I had it up for like a few minutes. And I said giveaway for 7 minutes. Enter now. And I forgot about it. And it went 7 minutes. Boom. Oh, Chris Lee's in here. Look at that. Nice, nice. What's your bias now? The bias should be just taking the... Oh... No, we still have highs, right? Yeah. So highs go. We took the AM high there.
I still fancy higher as well.
Lanto's like 10 minis deep right now. But someone asked like when's the Puerto Rico move? When is it, Lanto?
We gotta fly out and go visit. But even just going there for a couple of days, just like experiencing it would be nice. It seems nice.
I just keep on hearing, it's good for our setup, but it's like the infrastructure there is like a downgrade. And it's like, I mean, I guess it's like I guess to us, it should be worth it because like we don't have like a family. We were able to just make people get in like high-rise condo and live good. Probably not much to do as much, but
I don't mind it.
Save like freaking 90% taxes, right? Even that $1 million gains that like I was talking about, like in profits, prop payouts, that would go from, they'll probably take like $350 from me. If I stay in the US, if I stayed in Puerto Rico, they'll take like maybe 35.
No, probably less.
Yeah, probably less. Yeah, 4%. Yeah, you're right. No, wait, 4%. I think it should be like 40. Yeah. If you have $1 million payout, that's 4%, or $1 million net income.
Yeah.
But 0% in capital gains, so like you can run crypto. That 500K, bro, on crypto, I'm pretty sure. I'm not a tax accountant, or advisor, but you would probably pay $0 in that gain. Can anyone confirm? Because now you have to probably pay like you made like, I don't know how much it was, like let's say 500K. You have to pay like 200 of that, close to the IRS. Just because it's capital gains, you can't really fight that.
We're gonna stall here or just get that push into PDH.
You get the tax advantage of prop payouts. Prop payout is independent contractor. It's 4% on like those incomes, and it's 0% in capital gains, which is trading. So we're not saying like 0%. It'll be 4%. But you know what? I think that should be the path we should be taking. We should go for it, try it out, and then we can also talk about our experience when we get there. So when you guys also are interested, we can share our years of experience there already.
Yeah.
And Lanto's gonna probably pick up a Puerto Rican there, flying back to the US.
Nah.
You don't know?
I do want to experience PR though. I want to see how it's like. Heard good things from it.
What things have you heard from it?
I don't know. It's like, especially at least the good spots. It's very chill, down to earth. I'm a simple dude. I like simple stuff.
Yeah. Honestly, want a nice condo, like a very nice one, and luxury amenities, and just have like a probably good gym inside of it, and then that's probably good enough for me for like last thing that I can just grind really, you know.
Remember your chat was like move to Panama?
Panama, yeah. And then they're like, did you even look into it? You can't do that. But I was like, bro, we're just talking about it. We're seeing if that's like an idea first, seeing if it's something we're interested.
Mm-hmm.
So they were on our ass on it.
Who is the better paper trader? Because we both can't trade.
What is this? Is this AI?
Who is the better paper trader?
Is this real? Like, did he actually do this? Not the edits, but like, was he actually dressed like, was it Matrix?
AI's getting too good now. That's the thing. AI's getting better and better. It's closing that gap.
Mm-hmm.
Chat, it's gonna get really scary once you can't tell the difference.
Yeah. You think the government should step in if it's malicious?
I don't know.
It might be as a crime if you try to, scam people, convince people certain ways.
It's so up and down.
I might, you know what? Maybe I should change the giveaway moving forward that you have to claim within a few minutes, because I feel like a lot of people might not be from the stream or not. I don't know. But if you are one of these Chris Lee, Fishy Bish, Dennis the Menace, make sure you submit a ticket. Maybe we should put like a 10-minute time limit on it to claim or something, or 5-minute. You just press one button afterwards. Scams are already illegal. It doesn't have to be a scam, but it could be like, I don't know what. I've seen people try to like showcase it like for streamers, like it would be a girl streamer, and it's a dude, but it's like they use AI to make a girl. Like, is that, you think that should be legal, or is that like for use? What do you think about that, Lanto?
I'm such a bot with, I don't know.
Would you ban it or no? So let's say you run Twitch. It doesn't have to be like laws related.
I don't know.
Like a dude with an AI camera that changes to like a girl that's streaming.
And like, does that person like try to mislead?
Yeah, I guess so. They should.
Yeah, there should be restrictions on that. Anyone still holding this long? I'm still holding this.
Bro, Auburn said, why can't we redeem reward points for cash? The prop firm has no say what we spend the points on. Bro, that they said no cash incentives. I give them points, and if you use that points for cash, that's literally the same thing. I'll be giving cash incentives. You can't work it like that. We gotta be compliant. But the good thing is we'll do some accounts. There we go. We got Chris Lee and the Menace claiming. I'll hand on this after stream, guys, for the winners. But what we're doing now as SPF, we just bought like hundreds of accounts per month from a mini prop firm. So you guys would be able to redeem the points for it. For Tradify, for Funding6, for Lucid, whatever it is. Rack them points up.
Pusher, I gotta see more.
That's something I say to Lanto too. Like, imagine how much did we use each other codes. Lanto over the course of a year probably would have racked up like a few thousand, like $5,000 in rebates already. I gotta send him a check after. Can you withdraw the cash? You can withdraw the cash. It's going to be just points moving forward. We're probably not going to do anything cash related. 120 points. You know, that's equivalent to $12. Just add in the 0 from their cash or take away, and you'll see the dollar value. So if an account is $100, you're going to need 1,000 points. We're doing the same math for it. But yeah, while we're waiting for the highs they ran, yeah, we paid for a lot of accounts. So we have probably like 300-400 accounts in stockpile. So once we release it out to the public to redeem, you guys are going to get a lot of accounts to redeem, because we were doing a lot of cashbacks. Now we only give accounts basically. Dude, I just wonder if I'm allowed to let you redeem the points for like a free PC or something, like a $3,000-$4,000 PC. Maybe I gotta make it like an SPF PC. Yeah, everyone's out to get shut down SPF. It's just the other affiliates like PW and stuff. You gotta just stay compliant, even though I want to do a lot of things. Yeah, let's just rip to the sky for Lanto. God damn.
I'm just waiting for my target to get hit, bro. I traded so much today. I think I had like 5 takes. Most of them were just break even.
You should be able to do whatever you want. Serious, talk to a lawyer. No, I really can't, because you know what the prop firm can do? They could be like, we're not doing any reward based anymore. They can shut it down real fast, and then we just ruin something we have pretty good.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking for PDH. That's my target.
What is that? Is that 737? No, is that 747?
For NQ, I'm on ES, which for ES is
Oh,
705.
yes, yeah. How many points do you guys have in the chat right now? You guys want to comment? Let's see. I'll tell you what you could buy with it. 293. That's not. You can't really do much of that. I'll get points be redeemed for accounts. You gotta wait for October. We're gonna. It's gonna be the same thing as you just basically exchange it like a. It'd be like a currency. Like you can just buy it. Like you buy clothes. Like you see a red shirt, it'll be like a Tradeify shirt or Tradeify account, and be you use that instead. It's very simple. $790. That's probably the highest I've seen so far. 790 points. You could probably get some accounts with that. Damn it. It's been slow ever since Desi left. Desi just kind of left at a good time. Just nothing happened.
Yeah, we've been up and down.
You know, there's so many firms.
Go ahead.
I said there's so many firms that keep on saying like October is gonna be massive for some reason. I've seen TopStep say that. I've seen Lucid say that. Tradeify.
That's-
I don't
Is it
know.
a good way or bad way?
Massive, probably good way, right? Why would it be massive in a bad way? Why would they make it as a as like a tweet or something? Even TopStep said that. Like they're like, just wait, October's gonna be huge, massive. So I'm not sure what's happening in October. Maybe some deals, maybe new counts or plans, maybe more restrictions. I don't know.
More restrictions, that would be great.
Huge.
You know, it's massive. We're changing our sim cap from 150K to 50K.
Mm-hmm. Yo, I've seen some stats. I think I'm not sure it's true, but I've seen TopStep is taking over Apex and payouts by big margin now.
Really?
Yeah, I think they ran the numbers of the public payouts. And TopStep's doing like 40 million a month, and Apex is like more like 20, 15 maybe. So it was like in the 20s there. So shit, I don't know what TopStep's doing, but they have like a lot of payouts. That means the revenue's pretty high too.
Apex Trader Night. ApexTraderFunding.com.
You know why? It's probably because Apex banned all the good traders and like it kind of hurt their payout. If they did ban them, they'd probably be doing like up there too, like 30 million. But who do you think is the next runner up? Is it TBT? Who's gonna take the who's gonna be the face of futures proffer? What do you guys think, chat? TBT, Lucid, Tradeify. I want to say TBT or maybe put it next because I feel like they're really aggressive. Like I think Fun and Next futures have the potential of like Apex where they have like big payouts, 6-figure payouts. My best pick is probably TPT. I think TPT is gonna pass up Apex, just because. And Apex, I feel like is the revenue's going down, payouts going down. Like so they're tightening up. Like they're not doing as big sales. The activation fees not as lowered. You don't even see the big accounts reduced anymore. I think people are milking them too hard.
Apex be Apexing.
They breach your account if you leave an order at the closing total rosters. That's like pretty normal. So some firm actually close it for you, but you know, I don't really affect that. Is trading good? Yeah, freaking Lanta loves trading, right? Trading 30% consistency. Like, what in the world is in your mind when you have 30% consistency?
It's so bad.
TPT easily passes Apex. I think they might be even they might even have more payouts. I feel like TPT's been doing numbers lately. And Apex has been slowing down. Yeah. Do you think TPT's doing more payouts last few months than over Apex?
No, I don't think so, but
Apex are banning way too many people, man. They're gone. No one's getting big. Well, I mean, they say some people getting big payouts every now and then, yeah.
Yeah, they KJ, what he was like 2 weeks on into his PAs, and they pretty much told him, yeah, either going live or
800,000, bro. Even an Apex ban can continue trading. So it's an eval ban. Then you can trade whatever you want if you have like reserves or if you have whatever.
Yeah.
That's why I was telling Desi and somewhat to you too. Like it's like I feel like prop firm is gonna go the same route as casinos. Like, oh, you're doing too good. Like we're kicking you out. Sorry. They keep the losers. They kick out the big winners, and then you know they have a very profitable audience. And then yeah, you're not gonna see big payouts anymore. It's gonna be capped as shit. Maybe that's gonna be the new thing next year. 2026. And then they'll be like, you graduated prop firms, you already made enough money, you don't have to trade with us anymore. They could ban Apex could ban you whenever they want. Like I've seen people who do really good early, like first payout, they get banned already. It's because they probably have a high balance or just I don't know. So they probably just flag in their system like this guy's doing way too good.
Yeah, most likely. All right, I'm gonna get off here. Just chill for a bit,
No
but-
max TBT for you, bro. Are
Huh?
you gonna still hold? Are you gonna still hold for
Yeah.
high?
Yeah, I just have my
I'm gonna
limits
get
in.
off too.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, chat. We're gonna wrap this shit up here. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the stream. The big three in here. We had some few good trades. We had a short, then a long. Someone in chat said they're gonna edge the high, and that could be the case right now. We got so close to both ES and Q, a few points away. But we're gonna wrap this up. Any closing note on your side, Lanto, to the audience?
Enjoy your weekend, chat. Take it one day at a time and keep progressing. Keep following Brian. He's a good guy to follow, transparent, and yeah, stay safe, guys.
There we go. See you guys.